Guys, here you go guys. I will show you my best garden in the world. Marami sana itong bulaklak kaso hindi kailangan kasi dito ng hangin, ganon. Hindi ako nakapagpasalamat kanina kasi nabisi ako sa cellphone. Sabi pa niya, ito para to sa iyo.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys. Kagigising ko lang guys. Good morning. Ay, masarap ito i-juice oh. Masarap ito i-juice. And si Mr. nagluto siya ng sausage. Ito yung sausage na binili niya. Galing Costco. Walmart.
Cook the whole pack, and then we put it in the freezer. This way you feel like a sausage with your egg, you just throw it in the microwave for 20 seconds and you're done.
Sausage. And meron tayong egg formation. Egg formation.
I have a few of those, and they keep just.
I know.
I like those things.
Silicone egg ring. What the heck, honey? We can cook egg without this.
It's good for making the egg exactly the size of
Yeah.
an English muffin.
Yeah.
So you make an English muffin sandwich?
Dami na siyang naluto. Yung sausage in the morning. Oil everywhere. Good morning, love.
Morning, guys.
Sausage. Yummy.
She's waiting for hers.
Yeah. Did you try it, Pepe? Good morning! Magluto daw siya, guys, ng egg with that. And ako naman, kakain lang ako ng rice.
I'll do the egg. I'll let it cool down so I can get rid of the oil while I have a cigarette. And then I'll do the egg.
I can make my own.
No. You make it in the ring.
Huh?
You make it in the ring.
I'm gonna scramble mine.
Okay, how about omelette?
I'm telling you, Han, just let me be, Han.
Omelette.
This is, guys, ma-heart attack ako, guys. Ito tami. Kailangan talaga niyang i-ruin yung egg,
How do you ruin an egg by making an omelet?
Good morning, everything. Ayusin ko lang itong buhok ko, guys, ha.
You always have little issues, don't you? You just always have little issues.
Ay, nako.
Here's my advice. The pan is hot, don't touch it.
Pan is cold. Touch it. Here's his sausage. It's done. Sausage.
I use it because I keep getting grease on my hands. I use it for a reason.
Leave this here, huh, that I can use this for oil.
Well, it's got to cool down. Oh, the container. I thought you like the oil itself.
No, I'm not using that for eggs. Seriously?
What?
I'm not using this oil for eggs. Serious?
No, I'm not using oil. I'm letting it cool down so I can dump it in the container. If it was a glass container, I just pour it in.
Yeah, but no.
But that's why we need glass jars for it.
Plastic. There you go. That's what I want. I want to buy glass jars
No,
just
you
for them.
things used to come in glass jars. You know, the mayonnaise would come in a glass jar. Now it comes in plastic. Oh, yes. You're not that old. It came that way when you were...
Hey, what kind of egg do you like?
I think I would make myself omelet.
You want omelette?
Yes.
My husband wants omelette. So right now, so that pan is hot. So what I'm going to do is pour that oil here. Yeah, pour the oil here. Sabi pa niya, it's hot, don't touch it. Of course, I won't touch it. Maganda talaga ito, guys. Itong nakuha ko sa basurahan na na Ninja. Maganda talaga siya, as in, sobrang worth it talaga. Ika mo na sa... Wina-wipe ko lang gano'n, non-stick talaga siya, guys. Maganda talaga itong worth it talaga itong nakuha natin. Maganda pala talaga yung Ninja na pan, no? Maganda siya talaga. I don't know what kind of sausage is this Tommy got. Sometimes, you know guys, alam niyo natakot akong bumili ng mga meat na sausage na, yung ganon, yung mga hotdog. Nag-ingat ako sa mga ganon. Dahil po, may mga balibalita na hindi daw yun meat ng hayop. Kaya, yung paranoia ko, maluka ako. Yung ganon, nakakaloka. Kasi, yung utak ko is kahit saan-saan na naiba. Napunta. So, kaya, yun. Alam nyo na yan. Hindi ko na sabihin pa. Pero, parang, yung kaparanoid ko, wali na. Tingnan ko tayo ng egg. Kasi bumili si Mr. ng egg na ang dami-dami kagabi. Smile. Smile. Tignan nyo yung nasa ano guys. Kamay niya guys. Look. Uy! Smile. Do you wanna go out? It stopped snowing. It was snowing this morning guys. Last night too. But it's not really, you know, it's melting. The bird is enjoying. Oh my gulay. So ngayon, andun si Tami sa baba, sa basement. Pasensya na, same lang yung suot ko guys ha. And ito yung binili niya kahapon. Brownies. And meron tayong brownies dito. So ngayon, ang gagawin ko is mag-bake. I-bake natin po ito. Let me check first. This is expired. But it doesn't say expired. Best buy. So, let's research kung okay lang ba yung mga ganyan na hindi siya expired. Best buy lang siya ba? Best. It's better used by, like used by, better used by, blah blah blah. So, i-research ko lang siya kung okay ba siyang i-bake pa rin kahit expired na siya. How long after expiration date can you use brownie mix? Brownie mix can be used up to 1 year after the sell-by date. Flavor and learning is it may degraded after 3 or 4 months, but your brownie mix shelf life is safe to eat many months after the sell-by date. No, I'm going to throw this out. I'm not eating this. This is 4 years expired. Bibili na lang ako ng bago. Bibili na lang ako ng bago. So, yun. Pupunta na naman ako ng Walmart. So, sayang, no? Matagal na kasi yan. Doon pa to sa isang bahay. Ito. So, sayang siya. So, yun. So, ang gagawin ko sa oil is, ilagay ko sa basurahan. Kasi yung mga oil, guys, na mga pinaglulutuan, ganun, matutulog lang man yan kasi sobrang ginaw sa labas. Yun. Pero pag summer, mahirap guys mag-ano ng oil. Look, oh. Ito yung mga nilutuan kanina, oil ni Tami na ano. Galing ako sa basement guys. Nagtubig. Tinubigan ko yung mga halaman natin doon. Alam nyo na winter, mahirap silang tumubo. So, ang nangyari, tumubo sila pero dahan-dahan. So, nagtubig lang ako doon. Andun si Tami. My husband has been downstairs for a long time. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa niya ngayon. Doon sa baba. Titignan natin kung anong ginagawa. Hoy, why you're smoking here? You cannot smoke everywhere. Especially this house will burn easy. Basement. Be careful. And what are you doing here? Let's go upstairs na.
Well, I took all the laptop bags and stuff and put them in those suitcases.
Guys, here you go guys. I will show you my best garden in the world. Tumubo na yung kamatis. Ay, honey. Look at guys. Look, I have a bell pepper here that it's red already. Pula na siya, guys. Hindi siya lumaki, pero yan, nagpula siya. Marami sana itong bulaklak, kaso hindi. Kailangan kasi dito ng hangin, ganon. And then, hindi ko inanuhan ng hangin. Kailangan ng electric fan eh. At saka itong kamatis ko, guys, ang haba-haba ng profession. Hindi, wala kasi walang hangin. They need wind to do the pollination. My calamansi is surviving. Yan. And it's still snowy out there. Go up na, bebe. Be careful with your smoke, please. Tommy, guys, is busy making macaroni. And then ako, gumagawa lang ako yung steak na niluluto ko. Ito yung dinidefrost ko the other day. Kasi akala ko freezer burn, pero not really. Maling akala lang pala. So, yun. Inino ko lang itong steak. Nag-ano siya ng itlog. His egg. I-cut natin. Hold on, guys, ha. Transfer ko lang siya. Aray! Almost cut my finger, han! Hopefully, this is okay. Kasi kapag hindi okay, my mister won't be happy. Han?
Yeah.
Can you look at your steak? If it's okay with you. Yeah, you don't even see it and you said it's fine. Tapos na po kaming kumain, guys. Patayin ko lang yung mga ilaw dito kasi maganda kapag manood lang kami ng kaso. And then magandang manood ng TV kapag wala masyadong ilaw. Yun. So, tapos naman ako sa gawain ko. Tapos na ako naghugas ng pinggan. Ito na lang, i-close ko na lang itong blind. Kasi always close po ito kasi para walang makakita kapag may masamang tao, masamang elemento. Diba? Hey. Ano guys, i-in ko tong vlog. Andun si Tommy sa labas. Manood lang kami ng Castle. Castle is marathon. And Tommy's outside. So anyway guys, i-in ko to guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Kita-kits tayo bukas. Bye! Good night guys. See you bukas. Oh. I think kailangan kong tulungan. It's not gonna just melt. I think this is just going to melt. This is going to melt. You know that? Okay. Ang aga-aga ni Tami. Eh, nadamay pa ako. Kasi kapag ganyan siya, kailangan kong tulungan. So, this one is not helping us. You're the man, but you're not helping us. Anyway. Oh, good afternoon. Tapos na po ako nadigo. It melts. The whole thing melted. The whole thing melted.
What?
Even the neighbors melt. Anyway guys, good afternoon. Finally, nakapagligo na ako. And fresh na ako. And my husband is here. You wanna see my heba? See.
Delicious.
Walking boat.
They pulled us up on wings.
Yeah. Smart, huh? Say good morning,
Some of
oy.
those are cool,
Good
huh?
afternoon pala.
Morning, guys.
Good
I don't do
afternoon.
I don't do afternoon. It's always morning.
Always morning. So yun, why you don't finish your fries, honey? Seriously. This is always a problem, guys. Ano ko siya ng fries. Nagbibake ako ng fries. Para sa kanya. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam na nakaligo ka ng sobrang init na tubig. Ayan. Parang lumalabas lahat ng mga masamang elementos katawan. Come on. Come on. Monkey. Come on, Misty, while Roxy's not here. Somebody's coming. I told you. Come on, monkey. Come on, monkey. Look, your sister's here. I told you. You guys are picky? Do you want some steak? Seriously? Silly young guys. It's Lily. I'm not gonna let you out and attack Lily. Look, oh, Lily is enjoying the snow. Oh, she's enjoying the snow right now. Look. She left already. Where is the big? Liam went home. Liam went home. He left. Oh my goodness, where is Lily? Stop talking. She left. Lily went home. Honey, you're so cute. Can you do it, honey? You're so cute. Can you do your other leg? Can you do it? Probably it's downstairs.
No, I never rode downstairs. I've been working on the downstairs structure. If it was there, I would know already.
He's been doing this, guys. He's been doing that. Is there any snacks that we can eat, Han? I'm not cooking, Han. Han, chocolate? No, there's no. I don't need chocolate.
These are good. You can see them.
Masarap siya. Kala ko daot na.
Down with.
So explain what is this?
This is a silver platter.
Okay.
It's all tarnished. So we're gonna wipe the dust off first.
Okay, hold on. Okay, before you ruin the thing, because there's a lot of scratches already here, can
Okay.
you? Okay, do that. Oh my God, you pour the whole thing?
You can watch, you can see it already.
Yeah, be careful with your hand, okay? Hey, is that gonna hurt your hand? Huh?
No, catch it from that angle. So you can see that, and then that.
You're comparing to this here.
This is a stain that I
Can
got.
you wear gloves, Han?
Well, too late for that. Because that's not tarnished. It's
What is that?
a stain from something that was sitting out, I guess.
Han, I want you to wear gloves, Han.
Oh, fine.
Be careful.
The longer it sits on there, the more it cleans it.
The thing is, it's always tarnished. It really get tarnished really fast. You cannot even able to use it. Where did you find this?
It's downstairs.
Huh?
Downstairs.
Still dark in here. Yeah.
The outside? That's supposed to be.
No, right here. This area, this edges in there.
You gotta treat it again, that's all. And this stain I gotta get off. So it still needs some work.
Yeah, it's a big difference. Okay guys, it's funny. My husband, after cleaning up, he gave me a bracelet. I don't understand. It's just like my husband sometimes is like crazy. Tingnan nyo naman yan. After cleaning this up, and then, I think okay na siya. He gives me a bracelet. Look how nice it is. Aww. It's so nice of him. Let's see. It's just like suddenly I'm watching over there a TV, and then he said, "Here you go, hon. This is for you." Oh my God, amazing. Let's shake him out. Pasalamat lang tayo, guys. Pasalamat. Kasi suddenly he gives me a bracelet. Thank you. It's nice. It's nice.
I know.
Look, it's nice. I just look at it like this, and it's actually nice. Thank you, B-boy.
God
Oh my
bless you.
God.
This must have been my father's, because honestly,
Careful, huh?
get a leather's brittle.
It's a leather.
I broke it.
Oh, you broke it. Oh my God.
But the handle is bone.
It's a bone? It's a real bone.
Yeah.
Hala, Han, what is this, Han? What's the name of
It's a
it?
dagger.
It's a dagger. That's what it is. Supernatural. Itong asawa ko ba? Pakurat-kuratan lang tao sa kayo kasi magbigay naman na maano ka ba, magugulat ka na lang kasi may binibigay na. So yun lang guys, gusto ko lang magpasalamat kasi hindi ako nakapagpasalamat kanina kasi nabisi ako sa cellphone. Sabi pa niya, ito para to sa iyo. Han, why you opening stuff, Han? Camera? Oh, I have a
No,
camera.
it's not a camera.
What is that?
This is a Star Trek communicator.
Startup communicator.
The batteries are dead.
Salamat lang tayo kasi baka anong sabihin ba, binigyan tayo and then wala tayong pakialam, di ba? He's been digging here in the basement looking for his Elvis Presley record. Ito lang yung natapon niya. Look ako. Oh my God. Itong asawa ko is nakakatawa. Masyak ka na lang guys sa mga gagawin niya. Anyway. See.